Welcome to Biscuit Wonderland. Hello fellow bakers and biscuit enthusiasts. Today we're stepping into the exciting world of biscuit factories, where simple ingredients transform into those delightful treats we all know and love. Get ready for a behind-the-scenes tour as we unravel the secrets of biscuit making from start to finish. Prepare to be amazed by the sights, sounds and smells of a bustling biscuit factory. We'll witness each stage of the process, from the arrival of raw ingredients to the packaging of those crispy golden brown delights. Let's begin our adventure. Our journey begins with a grand entrance, not of royalty, but of the stars of our show. The ingredients, flour, sugar, butter, eggs, and a sprinkle of secret ingredients arrive at the factory, ready to embark on their transformation into delicious biscuits. Picture this. Massive sacks of flour stacked high, resembling giant marshmallows, and shimmering tanks of golden syrup, promising a sweet adventure ahead. Upon arrival, these ingredients are carefully inspected for quality and freshness. Only the finest ingredients will do for our biscuits. They are then whisked away to storage silos and temperature-controlled rooms, awaiting their turn to shine in the spotlight of the mixing room. The heart of the biscuit factory lies in the mixing room, where the magic truly begins. Here, giant stainless steel mixers stand ready to blend the ingredients into perfect biscuit dough. Imagine the rhythmic whirring of these mighty machines as they transform simple ingredients into a smooth, velvety mixture. Following a precise recipe, each ingredient is added to the mixer in a specific order and quantity. Flour forms the base, providing structure to our biscuits. Sugar adds sweetness, while butter delivers richness and that melt-in-your-mouth texture. Eggs bind the ingredients together, creating a cohesive dough ready for its next adventure. Once mixed, the dough embarks on a relaxing spa day, beginning with a gentle kneading. Large automated arms mimic the gentle movements of a baker's hand, ensuring the dough is evenly mixed and develops a pleasingly elastic texture. This crucial step activates the gluten in the flour, giving the biscuits their signature crumb. Next, the dough enjoys a well-deserved rest. It's carefully placed in temperature-controlled rooms, allowing the gluten to relax and the flavors to meld beautifully. Think of it as a power nap for the dough, preparing it for its next transformation on the production line. Rolling out the red carpet, shaping the dough. Our rested dough is now ready for its grand entrance onto the production line. It's time to transform the dough into those familiar biscuit shapes we all know and love. The journey begins with a trip through a series of rollers, which gently flatten the dough into a uniform sheet. These rollers, adjustable to precise thicknesses, ensure that every biscuit bakes evenly. Imagine the satisfying sight of the dough gliding through the rollers, emerging as a smooth, pristine canvas ready for its transformation into individual biscuits. The art of biscuit cutouts. Now comes the fun part, creating those iconic biscuit shapes. The flattened dough glides beneath a series of sharp, intricately designed cutters. With each swift movement, these cutters punch out a multitude of biscuit shapes, from classic rounds and squares to whimsical animals and playful designs. Imagine the satisfying thud as each cutter does its job, leaving behind a trail of perfectly shaped biscuits. The leftover dough, known as scrap, is collected and recycled back into the mixing process, ensuring minimal waste and maximum biscuit enjoyment. Baking bliss, from dough to golden perfection. The moment we've all been waiting for has arrived, the baking stage. The cut-out biscuits embark on a journey through a giant temperature-controlled oven. Picture a mesmerizing dance of conveyor belts carrying trays of biscuits through a tunnel of warmth, where the magic truly unfolds. Inside the oven, the biscuits gradually transform, their aroma filling the air with a symphony of sweet, buttery goodness. The heat works its magic, turning the pale dough into golden brown delights, their surfaces developing a delightful crispness. Fresh from the oven, the biscuits, now sporting their beautiful golden hues, require a moment of tranquility before their final journey. They glide along cooling racks, allowing their internal temperature to stabilize and their texture to set. Imagine the satisfying crunch as they cool, their aroma filling the air with irresistible temptation. This cooling period is crucial for preventing breakage and ensuring the biscuits retain their shape and texture during packaging and transport. It's a moment of quiet transformation, where the biscuits prepare for their grand finale. Now that our biscuits have cooled and matured, it's time to dress them up for their grand debut. Automated packaging machines swiftly and efficiently wrap each biscuit in its protective embrace, preserving their freshness and crunch. Some biscuits might be treated to an elegant layer of foil or a colorful paper wrapper, while others might find themselves nestled together in a cozy plastic tray. Whatever the attire, the packaging serves a vital purpose: to protect these delicate treats and ensure they reach consumers in pristine condition. Before our biscuits embark on their journey to supermarket shelves and ultimately your pantry, they must pass a rigorous quality control inspection. Trained inspectors, with their keen eyes and discerning palates, examine the biscuits for any imperfections. They check for consistent size, shape, and color, ensuring each biscuit meets the highest standards. Only the most perfect biscuits receive the stamp of approval, guaranteeing a delightful experience for every biscuit lover. Having passed all inspections, the biscuits are ready for their grand adventure beyond the factory walls. They are carefully loaded onto trucks, destined for supermarket shelves, cozy cafes, and ultimately, your pantry. Imagine the excitement as these boxes filled with crunchy goodness make their way across the country. The journey might be long, but the biscuits are well protected in their packaging, ensuring they arrive at their destination as fresh and delicious as the day they were baked. And so concludes our fascinating journey through the bustling world of a biscuit factory. We've witnessed the transformation of simple ingredients into those delightful treats that bring us so much joy. From the arrival of flour and sugar to the final packaging, it's a symphony of precision, skill, and a whole lot of love for biscuits. The next time you savor a biscuit, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken. Each bite tells a story of ingenuity, craftsmanship, and the simple pleasure of a well-crafted treat. Until next time, happy baking! Hey everyone, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's get started! Subscribing is super simple. Just click the red button below. All done? Awesome! And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell your friends. See you in the next one. Bye!